Welcome to the People Analytics demonstration video. People Analytics is a revolutionary data analytical solution that seamlessly connects to your existing Sage 300 People system, whether on-premise or through Sage 300 People MCS. Designed to empower HR professionals, People Analytics gives you the tools you need to gain deeper insights into your workforce. In this video, we'll explore the key features of People Analytics, demonstrating how it can help you unlock the potential of your most valuable asset, your people. We'll cover the following areas: the home page, the landing page to your world of data insights from your Sage 300 People. Making use of the filter pane to refine your analysis by easily filtering data based on specific criteria. Then starting with the actual data reports, namely employee analysis. Gain a comprehensive understanding of your employees. Leave analysis. Track leave trends, absences, and identify areas for potential policy optimization. Payslip analysis. Analyze payroll data. Identify discrepancies and ensure accurate compensation. Union analysis. Stay informed on union trends and manage your unionized workforce effectively. Cost center allocation analysis. Optimize staffing by understanding how personnel costs are distributed across different cost centers. Overtime analysis. Manage employee workload, identify overtime trends, and ensure compliance with overtime regulations. Training analysis. Track and analyze training effectiveness, identify skill gaps, and optimize your training programs. Lastly, the People Analytics Q&A page. Not seeing the insights in the standard reports? Ask anything about the data in your People Analytics solution and gain the insights that you need. Let's jump right into the People Analytics solution. Starting off with the home page, it was our aim to create an application-like feeling for you as user to easily navigate the solution. As you can see on the top left corner, People Analytics validates the user that is accessing the solution, and therefore security is top of mind when dealing with sensitive HR data. On the top right-hand corner, you have the ability to navigate through your various dashboards by merely clicking on any of the buttons. In the bottom right-hand corner, we've inserted a page providing the user more information about ESCode. On this page, you can also see that contact details are shared with the users for if and when they require support and/or require additional company requirement-specific customizations to be built as part of their People Analytics solutions. Let's go back to the home screen. We'll start off with our first dashboard, namely the employee analysis page. On the top left corner, you will see the filter pane button in the form of a hamburger menu. This filter pane button is accessible on any of the pages. Once we access the filter pane, we are able to slice and dice our data to see the exact details of what we want to achieve. On the left-hand side, you will notice that we are able to filter based on company rule, job grade, employee code, employee status, nature of the contract, and job title. Towards the bottom, People Analytics enables you to also select between tax year, financial year, and even calendar year. On the right-hand side, you will notice that People Analytics also picks up the Sage hierarchies as it is configured within your Sage 300 People installation. This particular data set only had Sage hierarchies populated from A to F, and therefore the rest of the filters are blank. Once you've selected your filters, you can merely apply your selection and return to the previous page. As we can see, whenever there are more tabs on the right-hand side, it means that there are more information pertaining to the analysis dashboard that we are in. As part of the base package of People Analytics, the employee analysis has 3 different tabs on the right-hand side. The first tab, being Stats, provides you with your various cards with their percentages of the workforce, ranging from active employees right down to lateral movements within your workforce for the period selected. If we move on to the graphs, this dashboard provides you with even more information by visually representing your workforce by region, age range, ethnicity, job grade, as well as terminations by reason. All of the dashboards are interactive, and therefore once you click on a certain field, you will notice that all of the data adjusts to your selection. If you want to drill down even further on this specific selection, Power BI allows you to drill through to your data in a tabular format. As we can see, all of the data in here now only pertains to our selection from the main page. We are also able to export this particular table to an Excel spreadsheet. This spreadsheet is therefore not connected to the Power BI model, but can then be distributed to individuals that might not have access to the people analytics solution but require the specific insights. Lastly, on the employee analysis dashboard, graphs 2. If you make use of Sage 300 people to populate your budgeted and out-of-budget headcounts, this visualization allows you to easily see what positions have been budgeted for and which ones not. Below, we also have voluntary versus involuntary terminations that can be seen on a month-to-date, month-on-month, and year-to-date variance. Lastly, a visualization has also been included to showcase the new hires versus terminations across the period that you've selected in your filter pane. Next up, leave analysis. As we all know, leave is broken into two portions: the actual units and the value associated with it. People Analytics Leave Analysis gives you exactly that. On the left, we can see the units taken per company with the correlation of the value associated to that leave on the right. Notice that smaller pieces? People Analytics also has built-in zoom sliders in order to zoom into the particular graph for when the data points are very small. In this instance, we can see that the yellow data point on the graph relates to study leave of 2 days. At the bottom, we've also included a table that shows you as a user the balance brought forward up to the leave provisioning. Payslip analysis. Starting off with the Overview tab, we can see that cards have been introduced to the left, providing you with all of your different facets, ranging from earnings up to net pay, as well as their averages across your selection. The graphs then allow us to visually see our payslip overviews by region, company rule, per month, and also our averages per company and rule. If we move down the tabs, we can see that we are able to drill down deeper into earnings, deductions, company contributions, and fringe benefits. Union analysis. Here you can visually see your labor relations, allowing you to understand the union membership of your workforce to anticipate potential challenges and proactively address union concerns. The union analysis enables you to perform your trend analysis per union membership, with additional conditional formatting showing increases and decreases in your workforce's memberships over the period that you've selected. Cost Center Allocation Analysis. This page allows you to analyze cost center allocations in order to identify cost-saving opportunities and optimize resource allocation. On the top graph, we have the allocations by company cost centers as well as cost codes. The graph also allows you to drill up or down, depending on the view that you would need to see. Once again, at the bottom, we have all of the data in tabular format to also provide you with the exact insights. Overtime analysis. Similar to that of the leave analysis, we measure overtime in units and the value associated with the leave taken. On this page, we can see the average number of units per overtime type, the value associated with the leave taken, as well as the average rate per hour and the average units taken per overtime type. On the second tab, People Analytics allows you to perform your trend analysis and scrutinize any anomalies. For example, here we can see in January 2015 that there was an increase in overtime, however the cost associated was low. Therefore, our junior resources are working more overtime than usual. However, if we look at May 2020, the exact opposite is true. Less units, but with a high value, indicating that our senior staff is probably working more overtime and/or this was due to working over weekends. Training analysis. Starting off with the various cards again, ranging from the total number of training courses provided, down to even a male and female split of employee trained. On the graphs, we can visually see employees trained by job grade, age range, ethnicity, region, course, and department. We are also able to visually see which departments are being trained. People Analytics also has a natural language Q&A page built into the solution. The Q&A page can be accessed from the home screen as well as from any of the analysis pages. The Q&A page allows you to pose any question relating to your data, for if you are not able to see the data in any of the standard reports. As an example, let's type that we want to see the net pay by company. The Q&A page then provides you with your insights. But what if we want to see it in a pie chart format? We can merely state that it should be showed as a pie chart. These views can also be exported in order to share the insights with other stakeholders. One of the most important features of People Analytics is the ability to export the whole model. Power BI gives you the option to either analyze in Excel or export as images to PowerPoint or to a PDF document. For PowerPoint and PDF, The solution allows you to select your filters and export the information as you are able to see in the solution itself. Where the real magic happens is when we analyze the data in Excel. Once you've selected Analyze in Excel, an Excel file is created that is connected to your actual people analytics model. Thus, if the data is refreshed, you're able to build your own custom reports within Excel. Within your pivot table, each and every field and measure is available to your disposal. As a simple example, let's say we want to see our workforce by company name and calendar year. It is as simple as dragging and dropping your fields into the pivot table in order to view the data in a way that you require. Once you've built a view that you might want to access regularly, the Excel spreadsheet can be saved and revisited, only needing you to refresh your data connection to ensure that all of the latest data, as per your People Analytics model, is visible within your saved Excel spreadsheet. With People Analytics, you can make data-driven decisions that improve employee engagement, optimize performance, and drive business success. To learn more about how People Analytics can transform your HR experience, visit our website at www.peopleanalytics.africa.